Okay, now this is the home screen of your Fire Stick when you first cut it on. I just wanted to show you how to download the IPTV app for my cable services. You would come over here to settings first of all, and come over here to My Fire TV. Click on About, check for updates. Make sure your Fire Stick is up to date. You want to come over here to the debugging. You want to cut this on and download apps from unknown sources. You want to cut that on. It's going to pop up a message pretty much asking, are you sure? You just click on yes, and once you do that, just hit the back button. Just go back up here to the top where the home is, and just keep going all the way over to the left till you come to the search button, and you're going to search downloader. Once you put in DOW, it'll pop up down here, and you just click on downloader, and we're going to download this app to the Fire Stick. If you already have the app downloaded to the Fire Stick, then you good. But once we get this downloaded into the system, we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Just click OK. And we're gonna come into this browser and we're gonna put in file linked. FileLinked.com. FileLinked.com. And then just click on go. And it's gonna go take you to the web page, and you just use the cursor with the Fire Stick remote and go down here to where it says download file linked. So we're gonna download file link. That's what it's doing right now. Takes a couple of seconds. We just go down and click on install. This is gonna take a few seconds to download it. And once we get it downloaded and installed, we're gonna go down here to the bottom. We're gonna go to open. And once we open it up, it's gonna ask you for a code right here. And my 8-digit code to my online store is 119099295. You will need to put this code in to access the app that you're going to be getting your cable services through. So once you put the code in, you just click on continue. It's going to pop up Travier TV. I have my prices and everything right here, but you can just click on dismiss in the corner. And what you want to do is come right here to where it says Marvel IPTV, the very first one. You want to click on download. You're going to click on dismiss. Another message is going to pop up. We just dismissed that. We click on download and we just wait for it to download. Once it's download, we just click on it. And it's going to ask us if we want to install it. This is the Marvel IPTV services. And this just take a few minutes. Once this is installed, what we're gonna do is open it up, and I'm gonna show you the next steps. Okay, so we go down. You don't want to click done. You want to just go ahead and open it up real quick, and this is what it's gonna look like. And it's gonna ask for a username, password. Once you get to this screen, you're all set. You're good to go. You will get a hold of me. You let me know what you want the username or password to be. I'll set it up in my portal. I'll send you the link for payment through PayPal. Once the payment is received, username and password should work. You'll be able to come right back here to your app. Just like that, we at the beginning of the home page. We got the Marvel app now. You just come right to it. You should be able to come into here, and the username, password that was provided will work. You log in, and your services is good to go. And we can go from there. I'll tell you how to set everything else up, little minor things after that, to get the best out of your service. Thank you.